Okay, here's question 9 when I can get there. Here's question 9 again, or question 10 perhaps. Maybe I missed question 9. Pieces of cheese are cut from a cylindrical block with dimensions as shown. 12 pieces are packed into, and there's lots happening here. It's A, B, and C questions, or part 1 and part 2. What is the dimension of the rectangular box when 12 of these are put into it? So there's a few things happening here. Straight away, it is 3 of these shapes deep. You've got 1, 2, 3. So straight away, that length there is 3 times 7. 7, 7, 7, 21. That's not bad. What is the height? The height is going to be the length of from the tip right down to here. So the tip right down to here. Now, the nice thing about that is this is part of a circle. And this circle has a radius of 15, and this side is a radius of 15. So the height here is 15 as well. So all in all, those two sides, this is 21, this is 15, not too hard to come by. The last bit is, what is the length across there? So we want to find that length. Now, there's a few ways to do it. You could have used maybe the cosine rule. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos 40. I think I've done something totally different to that. I've only thought about the cosine rule, which would have been a lot easier. So here we have the height is 15, the length or the width or the depth is 21. Now we want to find this length here. Now, how did I do it? I broke it up into a little triangle like this. So it's half that triangle. This is 20 centimeters. This is 15. We know we want to find what this x is. What's the nice thing about that triangle is that it is a right angle triangle. So what's that going to be? Opposite over hypotenuse. So it's going to be the sine of 20 equals x over 15. There it is over there. The sine of 20 equals x over 15. So x equals, when you take the 15 up, you get 5.13. This is only half. This is 5.13. The other side's 5.13. So it is 10.26. Now remember, this length is 10.26. And we're going to use 4 of them, aren't we? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So really quite complex question that. 4 times 10.26 is going to be 41 and a bit, I would say. Oh, I didn't actually do it. So 41.04 it's going to be. So what are the dimensions? It's going to be 15 by 21. The length is going to be 40.06. 40.04. 4 times this. What's the next question? Next question. To save on packing, because obviously when you pack it like this, you've got all this wasted space here, wasted space, wasted space. You've even got a little bit of wasted space down the bottom here. So to save on packing, they are going to cut that little part off. What is the volume of the remaining rectangular prism of cheese? Answer to the nearest cubic centimetre. Well, the easiest way to do that is to find the area of this thing here. What have we got? The area equals a half AB sine C. So a half of 15 times 15 times sine 40. That's going to give us the area of the top. We actually want what is the volume. To find the volume of the triangular prism, we're going to times it by 7, aren't we? We find the area of the top using this, then we're going to times it by 7. So a half of 15 times 15 times sine 40 is 72.3, and then what the volume is going to be that times 7. So what is the volume of the remaining triangular prism of cheese? 506.1952, and that would be in centimetres cubed. Okay, so hopefully fairly nice. Thanks.